Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 BMW i9 concept is not just a car, it's a bold statement about the future of high-performance electric vehicles. Blending cutting-edge aerodynamics with BMW's signature luxury, the i9 concept is the German marque's response to the evolving world of EV supercars. With a futuristic silhouette, an advanced powertrain, and a cabin infused with digital intelligence, this vehicle sets new benchmarks in innovation and exclusivity. Exterior design, sculpted for speed and elegance. From the front, the i9 concept commands attention with its illuminated kidney grille, a reimagined signature that exudes aggression and efficiency. The laser-sharp headlamps cut through darkness like precision instruments, while the sculpted hood flows seamlessly into an ultra-low stance. The profile boasts butterfly doors, aerodynamically optimized side vents, and a dramatic sloping roofline that accentuates speed. The rear features a full-width OLED light strip and an active spoiler, enhancing both aesthetics and performance. Pros: sleek, futuristic aesthetics, aerodynamic efficiency. Cons: low ground clearance may limit usability. Interior and dashboard, a digital revolution. Stepping inside, the i9 concept immerses occupants in a high-tech sanctuary. The curved OLED dashboard integrates AI-driven interfaces, while the holographic heads-up display eliminates distractions. Luxurious recycled materials dominate the minimalist cockpit, with ambient lighting dynamically adjusting to driving modes. The seats, wrapped in premium vegan leather, offer unparalleled comfort. Pros: advanced tech, sustainable materials, superior ergonomics. Cons: limited rear visibility due to aggressive design. Performance: electrifying power meets precision. Underneath its sculpted body, the i9 concept houses a tri-motor setup generating 800-plus horsepower, launching from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds. The intelligent AWD system ensures grip in all conditions, while adaptive suspension fine-tunes ride dynamics. With a 450-mile range and rapid charging capabilities, the i9 balances speed with efficiency. Pros: mind-blowing acceleration, precise handling. Cons: potential weight concerns due to battery pack. Market positioning: luxury meets performance. Priced around $180,000, the i9 concept targets affluent EV enthusiasts seeking an alternative to the Tesla Roadster or Rimac Nevera. BMW aims to redefine luxury performance, competing with both electric and hybrid hypercars. Its appeal lies in blending raw power with refined luxury. Additional features and considerations. The i9 concept offers an advanced autopilot system, over-the-air software updates, and exclusive customization options. Warranty coverage is comprehensive, but battery replacements could be costly post-warranty. Final thoughts: a visionary machine with minor trade-offs. The 2025 BMW i9 concept embodies the future of high-performance EVs, merging blistering speed with technological sophistication. While its ultra-low stance and battery weight pose challenges, its breathtaking design and exhilarating drive make it a trailblazer in its class.